So, the MK party this morning has released 8 cardinal pillars. Hey, Betunan, they've released 8 cardinal pillars. Pillar 1, it's reclaiming our dignity. I don't know what that means. I mean, maybe it means like reclaiming dignity as black people. Pillar 2 is reclaiming our land and mineral resources. Pillar 3 is reclaiming people's power. I don't know what people's power is. Pillar 4 is reclaiming our economy. Pillar 5 is building our human capital and technology capabilities. I don't know what that means. Pillar 6 is reclaiming our spaces. I feel like Pillar 6, reclaiming our spaces, and Pillar 2, reclaiming our land, is the same thing. Space and land is the same thing. And then Pillar 1, reclaiming our dignity, and Pillar 3, reclaiming our power. It's the same thing. Reclaiming your power and dignity is the same thing. I feel like those are sort of duplicate, unless it's being explained. Okay? Pillar 7, reclaiming our safety and security. Pillar 8, reclaiming our sovereignty and position in Africa and the world. My question is, as does it reclaim was it? I don't know. But they've got 8 cardinal pillars, guess on. Hayi bethunana kodwa ndinqana nothetha because every time ndithetha nivele nithi ntoni abantu be-cardinal pillars bethunana sithi bethunana sithi abantu be-cardinal pillars like we are literally the only organization with the cardinal pillars. Structure ngenye indlela. And I feel like as much as kusithiwa Floyd is the brain, wara, he's not bringing anything new. He's not bringing new. Honestly, we are the people of the cardinal pillars. We've been for 11 years. And I know when we say these things to the MK, ungati we are being petty. Guys, we are not. We are not, guys. Honestly. Create your own things. Create your own. Be different from us. Be different from us. Masithi xa sibekwe phaa edongeni wethu kubekwe MK kubekwe EFF kuthiwe yo ukubone this is how they differ. Now if everything that you do is going to be identical to what we are, so how are we going to differ? And we don't want to confuse our voters as well, where they think that we are the same thing. We are not the same thing. Do your own thing. Be different. Shine. Be better than us. Do your things better than us. So qetheni. But don't do things that we do. I don't know. Like, this thing is getting worse and worse and worse and worse. Let me know what you think, guys.